I've been seeing a lot of success on showing people how to use Claude and ChatGPT in terms of prompting. So today I'm going to show you another example in Claude of how to build something that can be very useful. It's just there to show you how you can communicate with Claude and then let it build something for you, and how you can iterate, change what you've said, and keep going until you get the result that you want. So just bearing in mind, this is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and yes, I am paying $20 a month for it, but it's not just for coding. You can use it for other types of instructions like helping you with text, etc. But for now, let me go forward and show you what I want to build. So build me an application that counts down from 60 to 0. That's all I'm telling it. Okay, let's see what it comes back with, and whatever it comes back with, we'll then address it and see, well, how do we want to change it? So you can use this type of counter for so many different things. I can use it in a video, I can use it on a website, etc. So there it is, there's the countdown. It says 60 and it's given me a button to say start countdown. Let's check if it works. It works perfectly, right? But it's not really how I want it to look. So I'm going to say, I like it, but start automatically, hide the button, and put everything on a green screen. Now the reason why I'm saying green screen is to put on a green screen, let's say you're creating a video. You might want to layer it on top of a video you're creating and be able to use it, and easily you would be able to get rid of that green color. So I'm going to upload it now, and it's going to hopefully adjust. Now it's interesting, you'll notice at the moment it's got black text. You saw the numbers were black. I've got a feeling that Claude uses a bit of logic and says, well, black doesn't look good on green. There you go. There's your numbers. Okay, now I've decided on its own to put shadows. Can you see the shadows behind there? You may or may not see them. I can ask it to remove the shadows, or I could leave it like that, but that's all I really wanted. I'm not going to do anything else for this video except ask you, please, if you want to see more of this, or if you know people, maybe young people, that are looking to find a way to get into the job market where they can learn how to prompt, it's worth sending them this video, because they're going to learn a skill by understanding how to prompt, and that's going to get them further into the marketplace. So if you've got kids, or it's not even for kids, but if it's for young adults or even older people that want to learn how to use tools like this, please send them the video, share it, and ask them to also like and subscribe and share it with other people that could use it. I look forward to seeing you next time, and come take a look at more videos where I show you other things you can create using Claude or ChatGPT. See you next time.